process. We have well set this machine.
This is a CNC curved cutting machine. For the material feeding, it is driven by the servo motor. This is the LCD screen. It is used for setting the feeding volume. For this machine, it is equipped with 3 pieces of blade. This is the control cabinet. Why choose CNC type? We also have old model, which is mechanical type. For the CNC type, it enjoys many merits. For example, more accurate in material feeding, easy for operation, long service life. For wooden ice cream stick curved cutting machine, it is equipped with 3 pieces of curved cutting blade. For the CNC type, it has a control cabinet. For a basic line, it usually needs 2 or 3 sets of machines. Thank you for every customer's trust. We aim to provide our customer with the most professional service. We will take very detailed photos and videos before machine delivery. We will also take very detailed packing photos. For this machine, it has CE certificate. We can also provide you the whole package plan for wooden ice cream stick making. The CNC type is highly recommended. For more detailed information about this machine and price, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to WhatsApp us. Welcome to email us. Thank you for your kind watching. Thank you.